When you have a Facebook ad that's running and it's doing really well, you do not want it to end because the algorithm can get reset. And if you were to run it again, maybe the next week, you could get a completely different cost per lead, a different group of people seeing it. I'm going to walk you through what to do when you got an ad that's performing really well. Listings to leads will send you an email that looks just like this. And it's going to let you know listings to leads, your Facebook ad ends tomorrow with the subject line. And then here, click here to see this ad. It'll take you to your account. And if you're logged in, it'll take you right to the page here. You can refresh your ad so you can see exactly where you're at with your budget and everything. And here I can see I've got 30 leads, $3.18 per lead. I'm getting name, email, phone number. I'm getting time frame to buy, maximum budget. And so at $3.18 a lead, I don't want it to end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click edit. And when the edit area opens up, scroll down a little bit to budget. Open budget up, and you can see I spent $100. The ad is intended to end tomorrow, so I'm going to add another $100 to it. Now the total budget will be $200, and instead of ending on the 29th, I want it to end on February 5th. You can see now I'll spend $200 total, 100 plus 100, and then instead of ending on the 29th tomorrow, it'll go to February 5th. And just hit update. Nothing else I need to do. So very, very quickly, when I get the email from Listings to Leads letting me know my ad will end tomorrow, click on the link in the email, check the ad. If you got a good cost per lead, if there are good leads coming in and you want to extend the ad, then just do what I just showed you. And if the ad's performing bad, usually after a day or two, if the ad is not at a good cost per lead, what I'll do is I'll end the ad and I'll just rerun it as normal. And in fact, I did that exact same thing right here where I ran it for one day and I got $9.54 a lead. One lead at $9.54. I said, forget about it. And I reran it as brand new. And I went from $9.54 to $3.18. And here's what's really cool. This ad has been running for a while. The same ad, the text gets updated just a little bit here and there, but it's the same video, and went from $4.44 a lead to $4.99 to $8.55. All right, I should have ended that one earlier and I didn't. Back down to $5.26. So we're coming at mid to high fours, low to mid fives, $4.34, $5.77, $9.54. Again, after a day, after that first lead came in at $9.54, I said, forget it. Because sometimes the algorithm just goes a little bit nuts. It's not hitting the right way. And I didn't change anything. And I just reran it as brand new. And now I'm coming in at 318 and I don't want it to end. I want it to keep going. So by extending that ad, I got the same algorithm, the same types of people are going to keep seeing it, and she'll keep getting great leads that she's engaging with. If you have any questions on this, get into the mastermind group, get with our support team, let us know how we can help you, and we'll talk to you soon.